Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other Faucet website. You can claim your Faucet every 5 minutes, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website name is bitfoundation. This website pay me dogecoin, and every 5 minutes I can claim this much dogecoin. Okay, the first paste your Faucet Pay wallet address in here. Go to your deposit, go to your dogecoin wallet address, come down. This is the dogecoin wallet address. Copy and come here, paste the dogecoin wallet address, and just solve the capture. And this one to your car. This is the car. Click check. Okay, next. And this one is another card. Just click check. This one is 100% real, and solve this capture. Okay, 1x minus x minus. Okay, x0 x0. This one is 20 1x 10. Okay, that was that, and this is okay. Wrong solving capture. Okay, this it is okay. This is the right. Okay, some capture is very hard, and just click get reward, and you can see I earned this much dogecoin. This website link is available in description. Click the link and come here. Just you can earn your dogecoin. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos until end. Bye bye.